Hello guys, I'm Antonio Silva and welcome to another reaction video. Oh boy, it's been a long time since I made my last reaction video on my channel. So tonight I'm gonna react to, for the first time ever, HowToBasic, and the title is How to Build a Computer. Okay? Don't forget to follow me on my social media. Also, now you can listen to the two theme songs of my channel on SoundCloud and Dancer. I'm gonna leave everything in the description below and enjoy my reaction video. Okay guys, enjoy my reaction video with me. Alright. He's starting to put everything in the side of the box of the computer. A banana? He's screwing a banana. Now the memory cards. Now the vents. Alright. Now he's playing together. Now he's cramming in the leg. Now he's putting inside of the box again. Now he's destroying everything inside. Alright. An egg. A hammer. More eggs. Now he's destroying everything again. More eggs. Now he's putting milk. Alright. Oh no, this is not the way to build a computer, if you know what I mean. And this is so wrong in many levels. Alright. Yeah, dirty things, yeah. Now he's putting rice. Now cereal. Alright, more rice. What's that? Oh my god. Yeah. I understand. Now he's mixing. Oh my god. Now he's making an omelette, and he's putting inside of the box of the computer. Hammer again. Now he's pissing? Really? More eggs. Now a Barbie doll. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh my god. Now a bird? Oh. Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft, and makes sense because he's building a computer. Kinda. He's shocked. He's shocked. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. So guys, did you like this video? If you do, put like. If you don't do, put dislike. Comment something you want on the comment section below. Oh, don't forget to use hashtag SaveASC to save my channel. Follow me on my social media. Subscribe and see you guys in the next video, and always rising.